In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to successfully promote Digistore24 products. So make sure you watch this entire video as you learn everything that you need to know to successfully promote these products. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so as I mentioned, we're going to go over step-by-step how to successfully promote Digistore24 products. Now, the key to successfully promoting any product with affiliate marketing is to understand what the customer's problem is and then find a product that is the solution. And in this example, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to promote this To Mastery Monetization by Matt Parr so that you can actually start making money. Before I go over the tips and tricks and what you need to do step-by-step, I just want to show you exactly what you need to do and how to understand it so you can actually make some money. Now, at the very beginning, everyone starts off up here. They don't know that they have a problem and they don't know that there is a solution to their problem. Everyone goes about their day, they're happy, they're having fun, they're living life. And then something happens where there's a dramatic shift. For example, let's say this Matt Parr YouTube Mastery program, they want to learn how to make money with YouTube. So something happens, they lose their job, there's a cutback, and all of a sudden they need money. That's when they enter into the funnel. Now, people talk about the funnel all the time. They talk about it in regards to sales funnels. This is the funnel, and this funnel can be applied to anything. So what happens is people come over to YouTube or a search engine or TikTok or you name it, and they start asking questions. They ask questions out loud. They ask questions like how, can, what. Can I make money on YouTube? Can people make money on YouTube? Can you make money on YouTube? Once they get an idea of the options out there, they're going to move down the funnel. Now, as people move down the funnel, there's going to be less people. So let's say right now there are 6 people. Now there may only be 4 because they think it's not attainable. They are moving through and now they're asking the best YouTube courses. What are the best courses out there to learn YouTube? How can I, where can I go to find a course? How can I do YouTube without showing my face? So people make it down here. Maybe there's 3 now. And now they're actually asking X versus Y. So they're doing a YouTube Mastery versus another course that's out there. And people are doing this all day, every day. And I'll show you examples of that. And as the marketer, you're simply going to answer these questions. How can I make money on YouTube? You're going to show them 10 different ways. Maybe you're going to show them 100 niches that you can get into and make money. You're going to show them that they can make money with affiliate marketing and selling their own projects and products and the YouTube partner program. Best, you're simply going to make a list of the 5 best affiliate programs or the 5 best YouTube programs that they can learn YouTube step by step. And then after that, they are going to maybe want to do a comparison. They have made their decision between 2 or 3 or maybe even 4 different courses. And you are simply going to create a video where you're comparing the Matt Parr program versus something on Udemy versus something on Skillshare and ultimately help them make a buying decision. Again, when you want to make money online, when you make money online with affiliate marketing, you are finding the problem, the customer's problem, and you're linking it with a solution. The people that are making money online with affiliate marketing and others, they are finding the customer's problem and they're providing a solution. And then finally down here, you see that people are creating reviews. Now, a lot of times people will go and make these review videos. That's why the review videos are competitive, because people are trying to skip the line. But the great thing with affiliate marketing and creating content in Digistore24 is you can skip the line. If you can offer enough value, you can get people that go from how and what and can and go all the way down here and buy. And I'll show you examples of that in just a second. Same thing with best. We can go down and we can skip that. Oftentimes review videos are, they're saturated because they realize that the customers are at the bottom of the funnel, and they oftentimes aren't as evergreen as they can be. But this is step by step how someone can promote any product. But let me show you with the Matt Parr To Mastery Monetization. Actually, Matt Parr does a good job of this by himself. So if we go over here, people are asking how to make money on YouTube. And as you can see, there are a number of videos. The top result, 8.2 million views. The Matt Parr below that, Make Money Matt, he has 1.2 million views where people are coming over and they want to learn how to make money on YouTube. Maybe they're typing in something a little bit more generic. If we go back over to our whiteboard, maybe they're typing in side hustle or, make money online. That's even more general than how, what, can. So if we look at this side hustle, apologize for my spelling and writing here. Side hustle, Hustle, that's close enough for what we're doing. And then they realize that they want to make money with YouTube. So now they're asking themselves, how can I make money on YouTube? How can you make money on YouTube? How are people making money? What do I need? What's required to make money on YouTube? And that's how they move down this funnel. But as you can see, Make Money Matt is doing that himself, and he's referring people to his course. But you can do this too as an affiliate. In fact, you should probably piggyback off of what he's saying in order to make the message congruent. Next, if we take a look at this, Tube Mastery Monetization Review, if we look, that's all the way down here where people are creating simple review videos that aren't actually review videos. Let me just refresh this here real quick. People are creating simple review videos where they're talking about the features and benefits. Very rarely are these review videos actually review videos. They're more or less videos. They're ads to get people to click. For example, this one right here, I highly doubt that this is an actual review. Now, what you should do when you're creating a review video, talk about both the strengths and the weaknesses. Now, you can use the weaknesses as an additional selling point. For example, let's say this course is missing an entire section on making money with digital products. You could add a bonus. You first talk about the lack of that section in this course, and then offer a bonus where you offer additional training or resources where you teach people how to make money with digital products, how to create and sell your own digital products. You can do that, and that will actually strengthen your audience. That'll actually strengthen your bonus, and people will feel like you are more credible. But again, so people are doing review videos. As you can see, their review videos are at the bottom of the funnel. If we jump over here, can you make money on YouTube? People are asking this question after typing in side hustles because they want to know, they want to be assured that this is actually possible. How much money does my small 9,000 subscriber YouTube channel make? As you can see, again, you see Make Money Matt is up there again. People are talking about different ways that they can make money on YouTube, and you'll actually include not showing your face, and people will click on the link and they'll want to learn more. After that, you can look, best YouTube course. People are creating content here as well. Once again, the goal is to get people to click on the link and buy the product, or get them to move down the funnel. And you can do this with any product. You find any product on here, you figure out what the solution to the problem is, or you figure out what the problem is and the solution. The solution is going to be one of these products, and you're simply going to create content. This crypto one here, you can teach people about crypto because that's a hot topic. People want to learn more about crypto, the different types of crypto, how to make money with it. And you can do this again and again and make money. Now, you don't just have to limit yourself to digital products. You can do the same thing with physical products. You can also do the same thing with jobs and employment. You can teach people about different jobs. You can actually create content about 10 jobs that don't require a degree, 10 high-paying jobs that don't require a degree. For example, if we go over here, we can just type in high-paying jobs, and I assure you that not required or no degree required is going to pop up. We'll type in high-paying jobs without a degree, no experience, that make you rethink life. For teenagers, you can create content on all of these except for the Grand Theft Auto ones. You can recommend the products that you find over on Digistore24, but it's really as easy as that. Now that you know how to promote Digistore24 products, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next to learn more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.